Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to make the popular Korean nail art that is currently in fashion. The plump hearts are so cute and look like marshmallows, don't they? There are a few tricks to create this cute puffy look. I will explain it in an easy to understand way even for beginners, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. I'll be using nail tips, but if you're applying it directly to your natural nails, start by prepping your nails first. File the surface slightly, remove oil with ethanol, apply a base coat and let it cure. First, prepare a magnetic gel of your favorite color. This time, I will use Maple Rose. First, take out this magnetic gel on a palette and put gel on the tip of the dot pen. Next, draw a heart with 2 dots in the center of the nail. These 2 dots will be the bulging part of the heart, so make the dots while thinking about how big you want the heart to be. Next, prepare a long thin line brush and draw a straight line from the edge of the dots to draw the bottom part of the heart. It is better to draw the dot first and then draw the heart to get a well-balanced shape. After drawing the heart, prepare a magnet and apply the magnet around the heart to gather glitter particles in the center. Place the magnet at an angle to the nail and slowly move it closer to the heart. When the center of the heart becomes glittery, cure it with a light. Next, add hearts with light pink gel. Take this light pink color on a palette and use a dot pen to draw a smaller heart than before. Draw one at the base of the nail and the top half of the heart at the tip of the nail. After drawing the dots, use a line brush to draw the heart. Add the tip of the heart to the empty space. When you have finished drawing the heart, cure it. Next, use icing gel to plump up the heart. This icing gel is stretchy and thick, so it works great for making plump nail art. First, take a dot pen and apply the icing gel on the heart, making sure not to overflow. Then, switch to a line brush and spread the icing gel to the very edge of the heart. Be careful not to let the icing gel overflow from the heart. Apply the same icing gel to the other two hearts to make them plump. Once the icing gel is applied to the heart, cure it. Next, apply white gel around the heart. As with the hearts, I want to make them plump here as well. So I mixed white gel with icing gel to make them three-dimensionally plump. First, mix white and icing gel at about 1:1 to make a translucent white color. Stirring vigorously will cause bubbles, so be sure to mix slowly. Once mixed, use a thick art brush to fill in the area around the heart. Take more gel than usual and plump it up. The key here is to apply the gel slightly away from the heart. This will make the plump heart stand out even more. After applying the entire nail with white, cure the nails. Finally, apply a non-wipe top coat to the entire nail. Apply the top coat very thinly so as not to spoil the plumpness. When the entire coating is finished, cure. This completes the process. The result is a very cute nail design that looks like a plump marshmallow. How did you like the Korean nail design that are currently in vogue? This time I used icing gel to make it plump. But I recommend using clay gel as well, which is also easy to make. So please try out whichever method is easier for you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.